Hang chalkboards. Chalkboards are great options when you decide to get your household more creative or organized. They come with a variety of sizes you can choose from according to your intended purpose. Chalkboards are popular among households. They serve as message boards or drawing boards for the kids. Hanging chalkboards can be a do-it-yourself task, especially those with manageable size and weight. Here are some tips and steps in hanging chalkboards in a stress-free way. First, you have to decide the purpose of your chalkboard. Its size will depend on this as well as the wall space that you will use. A sturdier wall is a requirement for bigger and heavier boards, one where you can locate studs. For these kinds of board, it may be wiser for you to seek help in handling it. A smaller and lighter board can be hanged in a less complicated way in a smaller wall area. Once you have found the perfect spot, get your materials ready. If you will use a ladder in hanging the board, get your area free from any obstacles that may pose danger to your ladder's stability. If your wall needs cleaning, you may do it first prior to hanging the board. Your materials will depend on the kind of chalkboard you have. For smaller boards, you may only need a tape to get the job done. All you need are a hanging tape and measurement materials including a pencil. You can place the hanging tape at the back of the board, but do not remove the tape backing until you are sure where exactly to hang it. At least get it ready for the meantime. With the use of the measuring tape, you can set the accurate measurements on where exactly you will place the board in terms of height. By using a level, you can lift the board, place it evenly against the wall. For aesthetic purposes, it pays to be sure that it is placed in the center and balanced on the sides. When you are sure of the height and placement, you can now remove the back of the tape and press it evenly against the surface. Another method is with the use of wreath hangers or simple picture frame hangers. These materials can be purchased at a local arts and crafts shop. 2 hangers on each side of the board will do. Drill screws at the wall surface where you intend to place it. If the board is to be used by children, you can place it in a height that they can reach. For bigger boards, you may need assistance in lifting it. It is more dangerous to bear all the weight single-handed, especially if you are to go up the ladder. It will also require a more complicated task of securing it on the wall. Heavier boards are more prone to collapsing when not hanged meticulously. Using a stud finder, locate studs within a sturdy wall surface. Then, pre-drill holes on both sides of your chalkboard. Have an accurate measurement on the wall partner to each pre-drilled holes on your chalkboard. Should you decide to use hangers on larger and heavier boards, you will need professional picture hangers that can withstand at least 100 pounds of weight. This time it can be purchased at your local hardware store. These kinds of hangers make use of multiple nail attachment that will distribute the weight along the wall. Chalkboards are no longer limited as learning tools found in classrooms. They can serve a wider purpose and deserve a place in your house.